Randy Moss net worth 2024. Who is Randy Moss? Randy Gene Moss is an American former football wide receiver who played in the National Football League for 14 seasons with the Minnesota Vikings, Oakland Raiders, New England Patriots, Tennessee Titans, and San Francisco 49ers. Randy Moss biography. Randy Moss was born on February 13, 1977 in Rand, West Virginia. Randy Moss is 47 years old. Randy Moss height is 6 feet 4 inches. He attended DuPont High School, one of two schools that later consolidated into Riverside High School, where he excelled in football, basketball, baseball, and track. Randy Moss career. Randy Moss played college football for the Marshall Thundering Herd and earned unanimous All-American honors in 1997. A 6-time Pro Bowl and 4-time first team All-Pro selection. Moss was selected by the Minnesota Vikings in the first round of the 1998 NFL draft, where he set the single season record for touchdown receptions in rookie season and was named NFL Offensive Rookie of the Year. In his first stint with the Vikings, Moss caught 90 touchdown reception in his first 7 seasons, as well as having more than 1,200 yards in each of his first 6 seasons. He was traded in 2005 to the Oakland Raiders, where he experienced a slump in play, notably due to the lack of talent surrounding him and perceived decline. In 2007, Moss was then traded to the New England Patriots, where he experienced a career resurgence and set the single season record for total touchdown receptions. That season, he helped lead the Patriots to a record-breaking 16-0 regular season record during both the 1998 and 2007 seasons. Moss was the catalyst of the 2 highest scoring offenses of all time. At the time, they scored 556 points in 1998, 589 points in 2007, now ranking 6th and 2nd all time. In October 2010, Moss returned to the Vikings in a trade from the Patriots, but was waived less than a month later and then claimed by the Tennessee Titans. After sitting out the 2011 season, Moss signed a 1-year contract with the San Francisco 49ers in 2012. Before retiring following the season, he played in 2 Super Bowl games, XLII with the Patriots and XLBII with the 49ers. Both losses. He was inducted into the Pro Football Hall of Fame in 2018 and is a member of the NFL 2000 All-Decade Team and the NFL 100 Anniversary All-Time Team. Post-football, he began working for ESPN as a studio analyst for its Sunday NFL Countdown and Monday Night Countdown programs. In 2022, Moss left Monday Night Countdown. Randy Moss' personal life. Randy Moss' parents are Mexican Moss and Randy Pratt. Moss has little contact with his father. He has a sister named Lucia and had a brother Eric, who had a short stint in the NFL as an offensive tackle with the Minnesota Vikings. Moss has 5 children Lexi Adkins, Sydney, Senali, Thaddeus, and Montego. Randy Moss net worth 2024. According to our research, Randy Moss net worth is estimated to be $25 million.
Thanks for watching this video. I request to you do like, share and subscribe.